Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block or unblock. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom frame to your design in Canva.
First of all, I'm going to
Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in Canva, and to create a custom shape, we're going to use Canva app. So first of all, we need to go to the apps menu here, and then we're going to search for the frame maker app. Just type in frame maker on the search bar, and you can wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the app. You can click on this app to add this app to your Canva. Okay, and here you will be able to create a custom shape. You can add the dot first, and you can choose blocked users here. Okay, and you will see all the users you have blocked on Roblox. You will have the list here, and then you just need to click on unblock. Okay, this is the user I have just blocked, and click on unblock and unblock. Okay, that's done. And for your information guys, after you block someone on Roblox, you won't be friend with that one anymore. So if you want to be friend, you need to add friend again. Okay, and that's all the way to block and unblock someone on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.